So, part of the lesson plan. We have the date. The first is the objective. Second, subject matter. Third, procedure. Fourth, evaluation. Lastly, the fifth is assignment. So during the lesson plan, we have the date. So, specific po kailangan to. Ang date and time. So, dito tayo sa objective. We have 3 domain, which is the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. So, the second, which is the subject matter, these include the sources of information, the references and materials. So, sa references, kaya natin ilalagay, kung sa libro, kailangan natin specific page and the title. Kung naman sa digital web, kailangan natin po ilagay ang link. Sa materials naman, which is anong gagamitin sa IMs. So, 3, the procedure, the preliminary activities, and B, the developmental activities and lesson proper. So, sa preliminary activities, ito yung mga sa motivation. Bigyan po natin ang estudyante natin ang hint or giving idea about our lesson. Sample, mga picture analysis, making a song, but changing the lyrics. Yun po. Sa development activities or the lesson paper, ito na yung ilalagay natin ang specific na specific na content natin, which is yung ating topic para may turo sa estudyante. So, dito tayo sa evaluation. Sa evaluation, can take the form of a formative after the day's lesson to determine the mastery of learning. So, dito naman, sa evaluation, syempre, alam natin yan. Mga objective, type of test, like multiple choice, fill in the blank. It depends kung para makikita natin kung nakuha ba ng estudyante ang naituro natin or na-catch up ba or na-absorb ba nilang lesson natin. So, the fifth, which is the assignment. So, sa assignment naman, bigyan ko kayo ng sample sa assignment. Reading in advance the learner-centered. So, para kung sunod na gagawa tayo ng lesson plan, alam na nila na nasa loob ang content natin. So, advanced reading. Depende kasi madaming pwede gawin assignment. So, you can make your student an essay about our topic or ano na ituro natin.